Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to combine documents in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Canva document you want to keep as your main file. This will be the document where you'll bring everything together, so make sure you're starting with the right one. It's important to choose your main file carefully because this is where all your combined content will live. Once you have your main document open, click the Add Page button. This creates a new blank page in your document, giving you space to paste the content from your other files. This step is essential because it prepares your document to receive the new pages you're about to bring in. Next, click on Projects in the Editor side panel. This opens up your Canva workspace where all your saved designs and documents are stored. The Projects panel is your gateway to accessing all the other files you've created in Canva, making it easy to locate the document you want to merge. From here, click on Designs. This filters your view to show only your design files, making it quicker to find the specific document you need to combine. By narrowing down your options, you can avoid scrolling through folders or other file types that aren't relevant right now. Now, click on the document you want to combine into your main file. This opens up that document's pages in the side panel, allowing you to see all the content inside it. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct file, especially if you have multiple similar projects. If that document has multiple pages, click on the specific page you want to copy. This step is particularly useful when you only need certain pages from a document rather than the entire thing. Selecting individual pages gives you more control over what gets combined, helping you create a more organized final document. And that's it. You've successfully combined documents in Canva by copying pages from one file into another. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.